Shelter-in-place warning. I repeat, shelter-in-place warning. Lock all doors and close all windows. Reports say that people heard a person saying "help me" outside their homes. If you hear that sound, hide somewhere safe. Do not investigate that noise. In result, you may put your life in risk. You must stay inside. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. Don't.
Yum, 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 yum.
National alert. I repeat, national alert. The mysterious voices have gone to people's heads. And a murder breaks in their home. Take cover now. We will now silence the program as soon as possible. Run now, there is now time.
Come out now, come out now, come out now, come out now, come out now. Help you rush, 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 help you rush. Help you rush. Come outside. Meet the Wonderland, Wonderland Wonderland. You can't escape. There is nowhere to go, nowhere to run. Accept your fate and die.
You can run, but can't hide.
Welcome to your demise. You will die here. Have fun.
Don't be afraid. You'll meet your family. And friends that I killed them.
This will all be over, trust me.